When you go to drape the front of the leg, it's similar to the back of the leg. You just want to take the fabric and get the edge of your sheet right here, and you're going to take it and tuck it under their leg. And it's not an upward tuck, it's an outside tuck. And then you're going to reach under and grab that edge that we just talked about so that your client on the table or the person you're working on can feel that it's nice and tight around that inside. So there's nothing showing. They feel comfortable with what you're doing. If you want, you can even have your client control that drape so they always feel like they're secure on that inside drape.